You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 18, configuring screens. Let's move ahead. I am logged in into home.atlassian. We'll click on Jira Service Management. We need to click on Settings, top right corner, Settings, and then Work Items. Under Work Type, we are going to select for Screens. Under Screens, we are going to click on Screens. We have this, make sure that you see default screen. Click on three dots under Action and click on Copy. On Work Item, name it as Spike Screen and click Copy. On Screen page, scroll down and click on Second page. On Screen, again, we are going to look for Spike Screen. Click on three dots and then click on Copy. Click on three dots and click on Copy. On Work Item, in the name, type, give this name Spike Create Screen and click on Copy. Scroll down and go to second page, Spike Screen, Spike Create Screen, and now click on Spike Create Screen. On Work Item Configure Screen, we will hover on Fix Version and Remove. Fix Version, we'll go over on Fix Version and click on Remove. Okay, so we have removed what? Fix Version. Now let's click on Screen Schemas. Screen Schemes. And we'll click on Add Screen Scheme. Name it as Spike Screen Schemes. And default, we are going to select Spike Screen and click on Add. On Screen Schemes page, we'll click on Spike Screen Schemes. On Configure Screen Scheme Spike Screen Schemes, we are going to click on Associate a Work Item Operation with a Screen. On Associate an Issue Operation with a Screen, we are going to search for Spike Creation Screen and then click on Add. With this, we have created and configured screens. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.